This is Moshe. I had a really stressful day as namhlanje. I thought I deposited my rent money into the wrong account, and Absa didn't even bother to help me. And then I decided with the last 30 rand that I had to buy myself this. It's fine. I mean, I like it. Tastes nice. Makes you act woozy. Feel woozy. Woozmentation. You know? Kokunhleli indodwa. Ana-aerial mos. So i-TV yami ayidlali. In fact, kawujonga. Joys. But ke, disihlelele. Smoking. Danhilo. Can't afford Danhilo, so don't mind me. Yeah. I'm bored. And I'm chilling alone. Drinking automavis. And it's a good thing I don't have iPhone, because at the end of this autumn harvest, I was gonna feel like I want to Instagram. Hashtag autumn. Hashtag harvest. That time it's spring. But it's fine, I will survive. It's okay. Things are with me. Good spirits. Yeah. The sharp girl.